G'day and welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. Today we're coming from Schönbrunn, the Imperial Summer Palace in Vienna, and we're having a look at some of the spectacular formal gardens that you can actually see here. So join us as we do this little tour around the Schönbrunn Gardens. So now please enjoy the next few seconds of some amazing images of plants and gardens that I've seen while here at Schönbrunn, the Imperial Summer Palace in Austria. Obviously far more than any of us are going to have in our own homes, but I am reminded when I look at these water features that gardens are not just about the plants that you find in those gardens. It's also about the water features, the statues and various other garden ornaments that you might place in your garden. So don't just think about the plants, it's also about the features that you put into your garden as well that contribute to how your garden feels and looks. Now, something that I really like, which is a bit of a contrast in, I guess, what I would normally think of as traditional gardens, is the way that here at Schönbrunn they have got traditional formal gardens, and that has been combined with, as you can see here, the actual fields of wildflowers and wild grasses that have been let go to flower. While on the surface of things, for some people you might think that these are not as nice looking as you would like them to be, the signs around the place really are indicating that the reason for this has been to allow for the wildlife and the insects, and I guess therefore the entire ecosystem. I think it's an amazing and wonderful idea. I hope you've enjoyed this short visit to Schönbrunn Gardens as we've gone around and we've had a look at a few of the different styles of gardens that you can see in this beautiful area. So can I please ask you to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.